because if you guys know, when you take pictures, you're probably setting up just a bunch of random things. My setup, I'll show you. This is how I do it. Usually, if I'm taking a picture, like all of my pictures that are on Instagram, I use this little guy, which is just a snack bin that I have. Put my Clorox wipe here, and then I literally set up my phone like this. And then there is my camera for pictures. But now that I have this little convenient guy, let me show you guys how easy it is to set up. Literally, it just looks like this. This part of it pops out. Just pull that off. It's a little remote to click for your pictures. And it's so nice and sleek. Just pull it out to the length that I want up here. And then I just will put my phone in here, and then it folds right back up. Super nice and easy. So I'll show you guys how I take a photo for Instagram. Okay, so I have my stand out, and then I can make it even longer if I want to, but since I'm already using my table, I'm not gonna even put it out that long. I might have it just like that. To make sure it's on, I'm just gonna click this little remote that was attached to the selfie stick. Green light is on, so now I just go and it is automatically connecting to that. Now all I have to do is set up my phone on the tripod, and I'll show you guys how I take reels or how I take selfies in the classroom. Super easy and super quick. I have it at the right length that I want it. Now I'm just going to use my little remote to take pictures. And let's say I don't want the remote in the picture. I can set it to like a 10-second timer or a 3-second timer, and then I could just put this like in my pocket really quick too. All right, that is all. It's super, super simple. I love this for just setting up because now I don't have to pull out all of my other things. Now I just have this, and it's gonna conveniently just go back into its little shape that I had it at. Thank you to Atumtek for sending me this today. If you guys are interested, I will have a discount code ready for you guys and a link down in the description